Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea lemon. Brew 4 strong black tea bags in 4 cups of boiling water for 5 minutes, then remove bags. Stir in sweetener while the tea is hot so it dissolves, then add fresh lemon juice to taste. Cool the tea fully in the fridge, pour over ice in a tall glass, and garnish with lemon slices and fresh mint for a crisp finish. Start by measuring ingredients and boiling water to ensure consistent results. Steep tea bags for the suggested time to extract flavor without bitterness, then promptly remove the bags. While the tea is still warm, stir in sugar or honey until fully dissolved, because cold sweetening leaves grit. Add lemon juice and taste, adjusting acidity or sweetness as needed. Chill the mixture rapidly so flavors stay bright and fresh before serving over ice. When balancing lemon and sweetener, add small amounts and taste to hit the right bright sweet profile. Experiment with different tea types like black for robustness, green for grassier notes, or herbal blends for caffeine-free options. Consider infusions such as fresh mint, ginger slices, or berries to add complexity without sugar. Make a concentrated batch to store in the fridge for quick glasses throughout the week, and always finish with ice and a lemon wheel for presentation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.